Hello and welcome to Basic Linux course. This is the 7th section of this course, bonus section. Here we'll try to use what we have learned so far, and we will configure Nginx Web Server and deploy a simple website. And we'll talk about how to get some VPS server as a student. Okay, let's get started. I have a document that's already prepared, so I'll follow this guide. Let's first open the terminal and enter into the server. I'll be using the server that we have get from DigitalOcean on the fifth section, working with the remote server. That's I key and the keywords learn Linux and IP is the IP. After it is okay. I have updated my DNS to point to this server as well. Okay, let's first run sudo apt update to update our packages and apt install to install Nginx. This will update the package list and install. Nginx is actually pronounced as Nginx. Okay, so pronounce it that way. And once the Nginx is installed, we can start with sudo system control start Nginx, and we have to enable that as well. So even if our server restart, and Nginx service will restart automatically. Next, we can check the status of the Nginx with system control status Nginx. Okay, we may need to restart once, but let's see. Let's try stdmctl start Nginx. Nginx and enable it as well. And let's check the status. It's active. Okay, now let's create a simple website which the website will be deployed on. Okay, let's go inside root, inside R, and let's create, okay, inside www, and let's create a folder called demo. Okay, and dots make dir demo. Okay, inside demo we have dots index.html nano to edit that file. We will simply add as one link. It's there. Okay, control to right, control X to exit, and clear. Okay, now we have prepared where our code is. Okay, it's on /www/demo. Now we need to configure Nginx. For that, let's go to cd /nginx there is a directory called conf.d, and inside that we can make a configuration file for Nginx. Let's name it nano demo.conf, and the file should be .conf at last. Okay, and we have this there. Okay. Now I have pointed the demo.blog and on here, so this should work, and it should point to /www demo. Okay, that should work as well. Control O, Control X. Now we have to test if our Nginx configuration is right with Nginx-t. As I'm currently running as a root user, I don't have to use that sudo. Index test fail. Okay, in etc conf demo line number 6. Okay, let's check if there is anything wrong there. Let's Google the configuration. CTI is static. Index, there is a colon in now, which there should not be that colon, I guess. Let's remove that. Control O and Control X. Let's check again. Test is successful. Okay. Now we can restart. Okay, now if we try to visit that demo, this would get logging in a second. Let's just simply change that text. Press it. Okay, that's it. We have configured our simple website. First, this domain need to be pointed. Okay, so I have created it here somewhere. Okay, demo. This is program, and in this way we can configure and deploy a simple website. Okay, if you have to deploy some Node.js and other kind of thing, I have the demo on that as well. I'll share the video. Okay, that's it for the Nginx configuration. And next, let's talk about VPS as a free VPS as a student. If you are a student, you can get different free services, and among them you can get the DigitalOcean, Microsoft Azure, that kind of service where you can run your own VPS server. Like about 2 or 3 years ago, I used to run my websites on the server from DigitalOcean. That was from GitHub Student Pack. Okay, one of the options is GitHub Student Pack. Okay, so with GitHub Student Pack, there are like some 50+ services. Here are some of them. Among them, DigitalOcean, you can get some $100 to use on DigitalOcean, and there is some Namecheap. With Namecheap, you can get some .name domain free for a month or a year. Okay, like that, and you can apply to Microsoft Azure as well. No credit card is required, and you get $100 that to be used on 1 year. But for DigitalOcean, you need to have your credit card. Okay, and other student package at Alibaba Cloud. With Alibaba Cloud, you can get free VPS server, and you can pick any cloud service from here, and you don't need credit card in the Alibaba Cloud as well. Okay, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.